Work I have completed with students. Categories of work we'll be discussing are writing skills, assessment, behavior management, and reading. I have specifically focused on improving the writing skills on one particular student. There seemed to be a writing block, if you will, when this child was given verbal writing prompts. Obviously, the first idea was to change the delivery of the assignment. Due to this child's very eccentric personality and wild imagination, allowing him to use these traits improved his writing both contextually and in accuracy. The assessments used with this child are Pocket. Pocket is basically an assessment that does not necessarily score the child right or wrong or above or below necessarily averages, but rather in what skills need improvement versus which skills they already have. These types of scorings allow you to use their already achieved skills in order to perfect the not so accomplished. I've also noticed that with especially gifted students, that behavior seems to be a more prominent issue. Mostly this is probably because they're bored, or they finish their work so quickly that they have nothing else to do. In order to assist the students with transitions and keeping focus, I have implemented behavior charts. In each center, subject, or activity progresses, or a transition, a sticker is given if the appropriate behavior is demonstrated. This seems to work for most of the students, as a reward system is appreciated amongst this age group. However, for some, it does not seem to matter if they earn stickers or not, and I will continue research to see what I can do to assist them. Now, reading was somewhat of a tricky one. I tried to stick to the book, and literally. Fluency and accuracy is a common reading issue among boys of the elementary ages. Again, this is not something I've just read about or heard about. I've seen it over and over again. In order to help them, I've decided to let them go with their interests. Pick out books that are obviously appropriate and that will still fit into the curriculum, but books that they are interested in rather than the ones that I wanted them to read. Not only do they read more fluently and accurately because they're interested in it and they want to know what it says, the comprehension also improves. Once I start letting them choose their books, they are more willing to read the books that I ask of them.